Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you're brand new to my channel or if you've been here a while, you've probably noticed that I have a lot of tutorial videos, more than 1,000 videos on my channel. And so that covers everything from technical tutorials to geek gear reviews to YouTube tutorials. All of it here really represents one big thing. And that's basically all the mistakes and the mistakes that I continue to make as a creator. And so in that way, I make the mistakes so that you don't have to. And hopefully, as you're watching my video, I hope you understand it and see that I'm just like you. I'm a creator, I'm learning a lot of things, and you're bound to make mistakes whenever you are learning. But the most important thing is what you learn from those mistakes. And so in this case, hopefully you'll learn and grow faster from my mistakes so that you don't have to make the same ones. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube and technical tutorials, I will leave playlists in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.